Hey guys, welcome to my random video. Yes, I am cleaning. No, this is not my lane. TikTok, lifestyle girlies, don't come for me. I tend to clean behind the scenes and definitely when I am anxious. I don't know if you guys have been watching the weather, but specifically the Southwest and West Coast of the United States, we are preparing to deal with a hurricane. Where I'm from, not used to this type of weather, so it kind of has me in my feelings. I'm saying to myself, should I clean? Should I go grocery shopping? Should I stock up on bottled waters? Like, what does one do in hurricane season? So the only thing that really made sense to me that kind of calms me down was to clean. And more or less, it was needed, especially since I haven't recorded in quite some time. I have not been in front of my makeup in quite some time. So there's a lot of dust, a lot of debris, a lot of expired product that should have been thrown away months ago. So, perfect opportunity for me to do so now. Oh yeah, shout out to One Size. Oh my goodness. Remember that was just sold out everywhere because Beyonce put it out there that that's what she uses on tour. I was so lucky that I picked up a full size can prior to her actually making that announcement. But I heard it's back in stock now, so all is well. At least I think it is. And as for my scents, MFK Baccarat Rouge. Remember, this one had the girlies in the chokehold. Everyone wanted to smell like Baccarat Rouge 540, but now it's like it's almost cliche to even say that you still have it. I'm sorry, it's one of my favorites. I spent my coins on it. I still wear it. As well as those three that I just had in my hand by Dossier. I'm sorry, there's nothing more luxurious to me than to say I smell good, I look good, and I still have coins in my pocket. So I like to mix and match. I have some high-end price-pointed products, and then I have the ones that are affordable, but it's still giving luxury. I tend to like to keep some of my more cute gift boxes and kind of store product in them, such as these skincare products that don't need to be refrigerated. I feel like it's a cool way to kind of keep a handle on your product and keep it out of view until you actually need to use it. This way it could still be in your sink area. Oh gosh, my Lime Crime palette. That palette was amazing to me. I had to have it, but I barely used it. It's still super cute. I probably will bring it out for one of my videos. Who knows? We'll see. Remember back in the day, like not that far back in the day, just like a year or two ago, where we had like the white mirror TikTok trend? Oh my goodness, I so tried to get on that, but my transitions sucked. Like, no thank you. It was more or less like, you know what, stick to makeup, stick to beauty, because these transitions are about to eat you up.